Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. I'm going to share with you how I make the perfect bowl of porridge. Let's get into the video. I find oats a very healthy option but also a very sustainable option. Oats are grown in Ireland. It's a very tough crop and it's a low input crop, making it very sustainable. And it's also rather cheap, so economically it's a plus as well. I use about half a cup and I add 2 cups of water. One of the secrets to making a great bowl of porridge is to soak the oats overnight, and the reason for this is that it makes it easier to digest when they're soaked. The next morning I will cook the porridge on a very low heat so it cooks nice and slowly. This makes it lovely and thick and creamy. I like to use as a topping on the porridge things that I can get in the garden at the moment. There's a lot of rhubarb, and rhubarb is packed full of vitamin K, great for the bones, and also iron, manganese and vitamin C, which is great for our immune system. So I will stew the rhubarb. I'll usually stew the rhubarb in big bulks and then you can freeze it, or I keep it in the fridge for the week. When you are stewing it, you know that you need a little bit of water just so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Now, rhubarb has a very sour taste, so if you want to sweeten it up a little, you can use a little bit of sugar at this time. But I love the sour taste, so I just leave it on its own. While I'm waiting for the porridge and the rhubarb to stew, at the moment there is some great herbs. Nettle is great as a blood purifier among many other things, and then mint has lovely flavour. It's also really good for digestion. After I wash them, I'll put them into a coffee plunger and just let it steep while I'm making the porridge. What I love about using something like nettle is that it grows wild. It's seen as a weed and yet it is so beneficial for our health. Back to the porridge. This is after about 20 to 30 minutes, maybe different depending on your stove, and you can see it's lovely and thick and creamy and it's ready to go. Pop it into your favourite bowl. I don't know about you, but I just find eating in really nice bowls makes it all much more enjoyable. The tea is ready. And again, into your favourite cup. What's the harm of making every little thing special? About half a cup of rhubarb stewed down to a couple of tablespoons. Another great thing is you can add different toppings, again adding more nutrition. I like some chia seeds, some pumpkin and sunflower seeds, and some goji berries. I'd love to know if you're somebody that really enjoys porridge, what toppings you like to use. And a little bit of maple syrup for sweetener. And mix it in. Enjoying a wonderful bowl of wholesome goodness and a great way to start the day. So that's it for this week. My favourite bowl of porridge. I have been eating it for years, all year round. Haven't found anything better. I'd love to know down below if you're a porridge fan, or if I'm not mistaken, in America you call it oatmeal. Thumbs up if you like the video. Chat to me on Instagram. Have a wonderful week and I will see you in the next video. Thanks a mil for watching. Bye.